first focus they are currently having is realigning the whole sourcing strategy, which would be increasing a stronger focus on risk-averse sourcing strategies, where they prioritize your low risk and traceable supply chains, and very important, lower spot purchases. So now the focus is likely to be on long-term contracting and lesser on your spot purchasing, because spot purchases are not going to be conducive, and there's a high risk zone for non-compliant and blended cocoa as the implementation gets tighter. And it might be contracts are going to be more of EUDR compliant driven or policy driven clauses than just based on supply volumes, and they might take equal importance when it comes to getting an EU access. And the other current focus right now for EU buyers is going to be segregating your compliant and your non-compliant supplies, which is your validating your supplier based on a supply consolidation and having an early exit from your high risk zones, and focusing on specifically buying only compliant cocoa. However, until the implementation process, there could be a blend or a hybrid process where they might be leveraging the low price non-compliant cocoa as well. But the long-term focus is going to be compliant.